Wash and cut vegetables into small pieces. Boil saltfish and shred. To your flour, add baking powder and sugar. Add saltfish, scallion, onion, and grated garlic. Feel free to add your hot pepper. Now add your black pepper, your paprika, your all-purpose seasoning, your fish seasoning, turmeric powder, and a cup of water. Now let's get cooking. Now grab a spoon, scoop up your mixture, and fry. When you're done, grab a paper napkin and set fritters to cool. So if you're new, welcome. I am Claudia's. Thank you for being a part of my channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when my new videos are released. Thanks for watching Claudia's Corner.